Same way we, sometimes people don't understand, man. Say what, birds of a feather flock together. 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 It was told of me, you could get that money with that arm and hammer. So I try my tribulations with that arm and hammer. Hammer not caring 2 seconds from that county slammer. Grandma, granddaddy warned me with that country grammar. It was appealing, but I just wasn't hearing. She said her heart ain't gon' listen, or your ass end up missing, or the state gon' come and give your ass a pot you can piss in. I say, grandma be tripping, continue doing my thing, man. Money I'm getting, money, houses and clothes, and there's some champagne I'm sipping. This money is making me sick, and I don't want no prescription. It's keeping me copping and spinning. No 4 wheels, I'm just spinning. On J Pillar, I'm winning to the kids I'm giving. Mama don't like how I'm living unless it's money she's spending. She don't have to pay rent, man. Neighbors don't like me, cause I'm all on the block, man. Movie like Spike Lee, and a whole lot of boys and girls with the money just like me. The most of them pedigrees, it's cold like a 0 degrees. Broke just a memory, broke don't remember me. Rich man feeling, you see I'm paying for everything that I want, so just give it to me. Birds is flocking from here straight to the Philippines. Philippines. So I'm birds of a feather flock together. 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 I'm eating this food. What you wanna hang with me? Remember what your mama told you. Watch the company you keep, it's cause it's money. The clothes or the TV you see it. If you wanna do these things, it's like a disease. So I'm birds of a feather flock together. 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 Birds of a feather flock together.